Menteri Sarkar belum nong aiktian Sarkar MDA ubah Wailadmiki celau lapan pau bagi Sarkar Meghalaya kampari optiang ya kanu kanu kejing ujor kebatikena. Kalau kejing keno baka karkhana Pynmih Ethanol ha Byrnihat ke Pynmih jabo ke bobok jemai ke koi kakia ke dong senong. Ya kenia ulah jubab hadian bakal sapriang gawe ke video ke bakadau ya kejing jabo kene ke senong. Nah kejing dan karkhana Ethanol ha kene ke jaka. Ulang bagi Sarkar ketip ikania tanglang ba ke rensan social media. Reklam kejing ujor bagi saki babiang katanat kamla banle kenu kejing jurep. Namar baupur usam ulang hapdang ke Meghalaya bagi Asam dangdan kejing keno bagi jing jabo kami nakenu kejela. Halor keniu menteri rangba ulah pular benekaran bagi Sarkar Asam menwat lat ban penduna ya kejing jabo na ki karkhana ha Byrnihat. Uba Wailadmiki Shlau lapan pauru bu umpat tebnya ke kerteng ke karkhana namar umdai uba pej ikan tanat kumta ko aban ajing ngetho lem datip tikna.
And this also we just came to know, I think, from social media. So that's why I think right now, until and unless we receive a written complaint or we have a concrete evidence to know that it's really affecting, so then only I think we as the health department will send for the any kind of survey of anything. Because right now nobody has come forward to give any kind of complaint.
The overall pollution there is affecting the health of the people. That is a
That will be definitely there, because last time also I think it's already came in national media as well. And for this also you need to understand, because as you know that Byrnihat is a bordering area with Assam, and even now also it is a huge debate that the majority of this pollution is coming from where, because as you know that because I think majority of this factory also fall under Assam as well. So that's why it is. I think still it is still the debate is there that to know that how much pollution is coming from there. But at the same time, we do realize that pollution knows no boundary. So it will affect both sides. So it is higher. Last time also, I think even from the level from chief minister as well, that he has assured that he will discuss this with our counterpart in Assam. So to discuss that how we can bring down the pollution. But I think just in the recently media also, I don't recall exactly, but I think there is also I think, if I'm not mistaken, just a few days ago also, I think the Meghalaya's pollution control board has received one award, mentioning that because of their effort in reducing the pollution in Byrnihat. So I think that itself also shows that the government fully aware and fully serious regarding this issue.
So, but this company, this factory, is it in the border or is it in the area of Meghalaya or Assam?
Right now I cannot, because I don't have the proper knowledge about that, because I don't know which particular factory is that, because like I said, even I also know just a few days back, and since it is not it is not in my department, and it doesn't come through me. That's why like right now I think it's not wise for me to comment anything, like which I'm not 100% sure. So but definitely I think this is in under border Byrnihat, like I said, and I already mentioned that it is in border area. So I think it might be in Meghalaya, it might be in Assam.